recommendation system for online learning platform. My students will discuss the topic here.
So good morning everyone. I will start by explaining the user data and the features that is used in online learning recommendation system. And eLearn platform collects several data such as the first data would be the user's basic information like the age, education level and area of interest. The second type of data is the behavioral data, which is very important. This includes the courses viewed, the courses enrolled, time spent, quiz scores and also their search history and course completion status. From this raw data we can create features. For example, time spent on programming courses can be converted into their interest score, and frequent searches for data science indicate their strong interest for that domain. These features help the system understand user preferences. Clean and relevant features improve recommendation accuracy. However, data privacy must be considered and only necessary data should be collected from the user with their consent. So user data and feature engineering from the foundation of any recommendation system.
Shall I explain about the collaborative filtering, which is one of the most commonly used in recommendation techniques. Collaborative filtering works on the idea that user with similar behavior have similar interests. If two learners have enrolled in similar courses in the past, the system assumes they may like similar courses in the futures. There are two main types: user-based collaborative filtering, recommendation codes taken by similar user; item-based collaborative filtering, recommendation codes that are similar to the one of the user daily enrolled. For example, if many users use completed Python basic also completed machine learning introduction, then the system recommendation was second codes to the new Python learner. The advantage is it does not require detailed course information. However, it needs large amount of user interaction data to work well. Thus, collaborative filtering is effective for mature platform with many active users.
Now I will talk about the content-based filtrations. In this approach, recommendations are made based on the course content and user preference, not on other users. So each course is described using features like subjects, difficulty level, skills, thoughts and language and durations. The system compares the user's profiles with course features. For example, if a learner prefers beginner level data science courses, the system recommends similar beginner courses. The main advantage is personalization. Even if the user's taste is unique, the system can still recommend relevant courses. However, content-based filtering may lead to limited recommendations, known as the filter bubble problem, where users keep seeing similar content and do not explore new topics. Overall, content-based filtering works well for personalized learning paths.
I will explain the cold start problem, which is a major challenge in recommendation system. Cold start occurs when the system has no data about a new users or new courses. For example, when a new leader joins the platforms, the system does not know their preferences. Similarly, new courses have no interaction history, so they cannot be recommended easily. To solve this, platform use solutions like initial questionnaires, asking users about their interest during sign-ups. Another solution is using popular or trending courses as initial recommendations. For new courses, metadata such as course categories and instructor reputation can be used. Hybrid systems combining collaborative and content-based filtering also reduce cold start issues. So, addressing the cold start problem improves user experience from the beginning.
Now I will summarize and evaluate the effectiveness of recommendation system. So effectiveness is measured using both technical and business metrics. But commonly, a technical metrics include precision, recall and accuracy. So which it tells us how relevant the recommendations are. So user engagement metrics are also important. Here these includes a click-through rate, course enrollment rate, completion rate and time spent on the platform. And then feedback such as ratings and reviews helps to improve future recommendations. So here a successful recommendation system should increase learner satisfaction and it improves course completion and it supports personalized learning. By concluding this, combining good data and suitable algorithm and proper evaluation leads to an effective online learning recommendation system. Thank you.